Welcome back to Odoo Essentials. Even if the beautiful homepage I've created can help me catch visitors' attention, it's not enough to entice them to stay. And that's what I want. So I'll need to create new content if I want more traffic for my website. Some pages and a first blog should be good to start. As my company sells homemade furniture, publishing a blog about homemade products could be a good idea. It's a great way to gather new visitors and say more than just, "Hey, we exist, look at my beautiful homepage." However, if I want to deliver the right message at the right time, I'll need some other tools that will help me create and design pages in just minutes, as I did for my homepage. So let's see how Odoo can help me do that. All right, so once we're on our main Odoo dashboard, let's go ahead and enter our website so that we can start personalizing it a little bit more and adding some content. All right, so here I am on my main homepage. And as you can see, I've personalized it a little bit more since the last video, and that's because I really want my visitors to get a really good sense of who my company is when they visit this page. All right, so of course I've added some photos, and I also edited this button right here. So now it says discover our products. The only issue though is that if my customers click on this, or anyone who's visiting my website, they will not be redirected anywhere because I don't have a page for my products. So let's create one right now. What we'll do is click on the new button right here at the top right, and then go to new page. Of course, we need a page title. So I'll choose our products. All right, and then continue. Then we'll be redirected to the new page in the editing mode. And then we can go ahead and start adding some blocks to give some organization and structure to our page. So I will have a cover, of course, and then I'm going to add a text block because I would like to talk more about the kinds of products that I offer and how we make them. And then I'm also going to add some text blocks as well, some image text blocks. All right, so that looks really good so far. So I'm going to go ahead and start editing this. So the first thing I want to do is change my background image. Now I'm just going to choose an image of the material I typically make my products out of rather than highlighting some specific pieces. So I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. I already think that looks really good. And then I'm going to add a title, our products. Okay, nice and simple. And I'm going to remove these buttons here because they are not needed. I'll go ahead and exit that. I will add a description later, and then I'm also going to add this content later as well. But I really think that this is a good moment to describe my products and why they're so great. All right, so I sell two different kinds of products. I sell both furniture and accessories as well for the furniture or for your room. So I'm going to go ahead and add furniture and accessories for these two blocks right here. All right, and then I can add a photo. So let's go ahead and I'll choose this one right here that I have, and then click on save. And I'm also going to add one down here as well of a carpet because we do sell some carpets. All right, let's go ahead and add that right there. All right, so far it looks good. And then I can also add some descriptions. So here I will say handmade high quality pieces. And for my accessories, I'll say, if I can edit this correctly, I will say tie everything together. All right, and then I'll save this. So of course, I'm going to add more content later to personalize it a little bit more for my company. But this is essentially what I want the page to look like. Okay, and so I can go ahead and copy the URL that's created when I create the new page. Okay, and I can link it to that button that I have on the home page so that when my customers click on that, they will be redirected here. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to edit mode. And then go to this button. And then we'll click on that hyperlink button as well. And then paste the URL and save. Okay, so let's save this page and see what happens when we click on this new button. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm redirected right away to that products page. How fast and simple was that? That was really nice. Okay, so now my customers are ready to click on that and see what I have to offer. But let's go ahead and create a blog. So I'm going to click on this new button once again, and then go to new blog post. Now this is a module that you need to install. If you don't have it installed, you will have the possibility to do that right here from this page, so don't worry about that. Right? So I clicked on new blog post and redirected again to a new post page. And I will go ahead and add a title. So it will be handmade or factory made? Question mark. And then for the subtitle, is handmade really better? I have a lot of opinions on this, so I'm really excited about this blog. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and customize this. So I'm going to change the cover photo, and I'm going to make it of a factory. All right, let's choose a really good photo here. All right, let's go ahead and choose that one. Click on save. All right. And then I can start writing here. Okay, so of course I can add any blocks that I would like as well. Maybe I would like to add some pictures or features. I can do that. But for now, I'm just going to say my insight, and then we'll save. Now let's see this when we click on the page blog. All right, so I have this new blog right here at the top. So that looks really good so far. And I think this is going to be a really great way to attract new customers. So I'm really excited about that. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.